Assalamualaikum. So for today videos, I'm going to discuss to you the moist heat cooking method. So in the moist heat cooking method, liquid or steam is used to cook for the food flavor liquids, such as broth or wine can be used as the heat transfer medium and will also add flavor during the cooking process. So the number one is the branching. So the branching involved dropping food into boiling water briefly and then immediately halting the cooking process by submerging the food into ice water. So branching can also help to maintain the color and the freshness of the food. So for me, the best example ng branching, ayan yung half cook. So as you can see guys, in the half cook method, di ba? Kasi syempre pinapanatili pa rin niya yung freshness at saka yung color niya. Kahit na half cook siya, it can help us to eat a fresh and colorful food. So the number 2 is the boiling. So boiling is used to cook stronger, hearty foods such as beans, pasta, or dough vegetables. Because of the high heat involved, boiling is usually a relatively quick cooking method. So, we already familiar with the boiling, pagpapakulo. So, the best example for me ay yung pagpapakulo ng tubig na kung saan is magluluto ka ng itlog. Di ba guys, napapansin natin na madali talaga maluto yung itlog kung mismong kumukulo yung tubig na gagamitin natin. So, yung boiling is best quickly cooking method talaga siya na can help us to quickly cook our food. So, the number 3 is the braising. So, in the braising, braising involves simmering large cut of meat in a small amount of liquid in the covered dish. Keeping the braising dish covered traps moisture within help intensify the flavor. So, sa braising kasi, ang ginagamit nilang liquid, I mean yung sabaw talaga na gamitin nila is either yung wine or yung sarili talaga na juicy, or I mean juice ng meat na gamit na lutuin nila. So, yung braising kasi, it helps to intensify the flavor. As you can see guys, yung mga dishes na wala masyadong sabaw, yan yung braising food na sinasabi nila na nagsistay pa rin yung intensify flavor niya, na masarap pa rin siya kahit na hindi mo siya as in ginalaw pa muna bago mo siya kainin. So, the braising kasi is pwede talaga siya sa mga cooking method. Kasi, syempre, yun talaga yung purpose niya is para mapanatili talaga yung lasa ng food. So, the number 4 is poaching. So, poaching, partially or fully submerging food into water or another liquid that has reached 160 to 180 degrees is called poaching. Water at this temperature is hotter than scalding but is not vigorously bubbling like boiling water. So sa poaching kasi parang ang purpose niya talaga is hindi talaga ma-damage or ma-disrupted yung food na lulutuin mo. So, tinatawag dyan yung, hindi niya talaga as in na kagaya ng boiling na kailangan talaga is na bumubula yung water. But then, yung poaching kasi is parang painitin lang yung water, then para maluto yung food at saka pinapanatili yung panatili niya na hindi masira yung food. So the number 5 is the scalding. So water has to reach 150 degrees is consider scalding. At this temperature, water will have bubbles attached to the side or bottom of its container that does not release or move as they do with simmering or boiling water. The scalding techniques is sometimes used to help solid such as sugar, flour, or uh, chocolate. So as you can see guys, is a scalding is very helpful para sa solid food na alulutuin mo. Example, the sugar, the flour, or the chocolate. So, siya yung tumutunaw. Uh, solid to liquid. So, yung scalding talaga is very helpful para sa mga solid food na lulutuin natin. So, the simmering. Simmering liquid are above 180 degrees but not vigorously bubbling like boiling water. Simmering liquid has gently bubbles that rise swiftly from the bottom of the pot. Simmering is a more gently cooking method than boiling and is often used for low and slow cooking process. So guys, yung simmering kasi is you can call it slow cooking or gently cooking. So, hindi naman siya yung kumaga katulad ng boiling method na kung saan is sobrang bilis talaga. Kumbaga, ito yung simmering. Stewing is similar to simmering in that the liquid is heated until it's formed gently. So, yet quickly moving bubbles. The difference between stewing and simmering is that stewing is generally involve a much smaller amount of the liquid that is retained and served with the food as a sauce. So in stewing, there's a lot of dishes na example ng stewing. Diyan na yung adobo, caldereta, apritada, na kung saan is yung liquid niya is nagsiserve as a sauce. Yung sabaw niya. Hindi katulad ng simmering na slow and gently cooking na kung saan is masabaw. Na hindi nagsiserve yung sabaw niya as a sauce. Yung sa stewing kasi is very tasty siya. Kasi nagsiserve na nga na sauce yung liquid niya, then pinapanatili pa niya yung intensify flavor talaga ng food. The steaming. Steaming involves the transfer of the heat through vapor, water, or other liquids. It is by far the most gently moist heat cooking method because the food is not allowed to step in the hot water. Steamed food retains more nutrients than food that is boiled or simmer. Pressure cookers utilize steam and pressure to increase the cooking temperature above the boiling point of the water. So for me, the best example ng steaming ay yan yung pagluluto ng siomai. As you can see guys, yung vaporized water yung gamit or yung usok ng tubig na pinapakulo. So, yung steaming is very gently cooking method din siya. But then, yung steaming is parang ay pinapanatili yung nutrients na makukuha natin sa food. Same with branching. But then, sa branching kasi is mini-maintain niya yung color at saka freshness ng food na lulutuin natin. But then, sa steaming kasi is mini-maintain naman niya na stay pa rin yung nutrients na kailangan natin sa food. So, that is the last part of our report. So, thank you.